Whoa.
Right then, so we're at Bushyleaze today. Me, Paul and Tristan, my cousin. He's from the ugly side of the family. And that's my good mate there. We are, what's the rules then? £3 in each. It's £1 for the heaviest fish, £1 for the heaviest bag, and £1 for the first fish. Paul has already been cheating. His first fish don't count.
It does.
It don't count, mate. It don't.
Well, we'll start afresh off the grub then.
But,
yeah.
But
That's fair then.
but
We're
the,
all in the band.
yeah. But the wind is absolutely howling. Was it? What's the wind?
Fucking nearly 90 mile hour. 90 mile
Yeah.
hour.
There's waves out there.
Surfboard, we should have brought that a fishing rod.
Surfboards. Yeah. So the wind is horrendous. So it's a tough all day. And Paul's just pulled out his box of goodies by there.
Yeah. From Martin Williams.
Martin Williams, are they?
Yeah.
What's there then? Suspenders,
Quite a
buzzers.
few there from Martin.
On the
Big
naturals.
Martins, yeah. Not a lure in sight today. Not a lure in sight. No.
Yeah. So we'll weigh in at the end and see who's won. Then here we are, Bushyleaze. About to start fishing. And he has been moaning all morning about his wet ass on the boat. What else are you moaning about?
Taking the money off you after.
Moaning about this wind.
Taking the money off you after.
Yeah, we can start the competition now. Paul's cheating over there. Paul's cheating over there. He started fishing before us. But I think I'm gonna chuck on the intermediate, or the dive free first. Right, couple of quick casts with this snake to try and get a quick fish. If not, if that works, we're gonna go on the naturals, big buzzers and stuff, washing line. He's in. That don't count because you cheat. How can you say first fish if he's cheating? Innit? Been fishing an hour. Should we just let it drift down there?
Huh?
Should we let it drift down to that bay? In. Record. Tristan's in with the first fish. Whey! I bet you it was that one that kept jumping in front of you. Huh? Oh! Tight there, tight.
Swimming at that? Yeah.
What?
Swimming at that?
Swimming at us. Does this net go longer, yeah? Oh, you are? Oh. Oh no. My line got stuck. What's it going like? Screaming reels. Oh, here we go. How deep you fishing now? Yeah. Nice.
Pulling the boat round.
get him in the net. Nice, well done. Tristan into his second fish. What are you doing, a bung with the egg? Huh? Brownie. Love one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fish by there. I'm gonna have to go by there again now so I can get on them. Nice to see you catching fish, mate. Oh, look at that go, screaming reels. The bung.
Yeah. Goes to the wind better than that.
Yeah. Straight into the net. Well done. Let's have a look. Swing it round, let's have a look. There you are. Better fish. There we go. Coming towards me. Give up.
Going on? In the water?
Come on, job's a good end.
Stop it now.
Bushyleaze. Oh. The fish are just further back, aren't they? There we are. Was it the daddy or one of the buzzers on the droppers? I guess it's the daddy. That's what they call me at Bushyleaze. Daddy. Literally that one spot where all the fish are, isn't it? was a long cast, that was. Big old cast. Oh no, I think it might be the buzzer.
How many buzzers you got?
2. I think it's a Martin Williams red ass buzzer. Oh yeah, it's a buzzer. Oh fuck. Watch out on that. Yeah, I stuck the middle drop there. Red ass buzzer. Fish. I thought I would have took the daddy. Did you? Huh?
That's the daddy. Brought it in.
We're now on Bushyleaze and the wind is pretty hardcore. And it's hard work rowing. How hard is that?
Fucking solid.
I think we're going backwards. I actually think we're going backwards. 2 fish each in our little comp. We've got 2 fish to go. Would you reckon got the biggest fish so far?
Might have picked it, but I've been feeding my lead.
He's been feeding his lead, so they're a bit heavier. But yeah, this it's like waves. So we're gonna stop and have a beer and some food now and then probably fish off the bank because the wind is a bit of a pain when there's 2 of us on the boat. It'd be alright if we just one person.
Put it off.
Right. Back out after lunch. You ready or what?
Come on then.
Come on, hen.
Whose coat's that? Should we go that way? Whose coat's that?
I'm walking that. I'm gonna walk that way. I am and fish the base. What are you doing? You going that way with him? Or are you coming?
Which way? You might as well walk. We might as well
I'm gonna walk. I'm walking this way. I got an idea with the base.
Yeah, but you want to go up this way and work your way down, don't you? Because the wind's going this way.
Casting will be better this week, so it'll be your left shoulder.
Oh, casting with that.
No, this way. Right, then. See you on the flip side.
Yes, you want them, man. No.
Good luck, boys, because it's a competition.
We need picture evidence, man. Yeah, we got each other.
You've got GoPro evidence coming.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
No dick pics. Right, so now I'm wading in up to my waist, and this is a really tricky cast where I am because of the trees and stuff. But we're fishing with a bung and a red ass Martin Williams buzzer underneath. And I gotta try and do a back cast in between these trees. To chuck it out there where I can see fish keep moving. The interesting thing, I can't get to them where all the fish are showing up there, so I've got to do a bit of a back cast and see if I can get one here. I just missed a bite on it then. Don't know if the fish feels safe by there or what. Finally. Right, so as I just hooked into that fish, as you just seen, the battery dies. Just had this nice fish here. Have a quick tidy up. Chuck my priest back in my bag. This is really where this fully submersible backpack comes in handy, because I'm out by there, literally up to my chest, well, above my waist, and everything's dry, and I'm doing some mad back casts through here to the fish that are moving out by there. Let's have another go. Yes, he's in. Ah, come off. Back out. Yes. Straight away. I've sussed this place out now. I know where the fish are moving. I'm missing bites and getting bites and all the rest. Oh, it's come off again. Ah, you laughing? Miss just lost another fish. You know what's mad? The amount of fish you lose when you go fishing. What is the takes are so subtle. You know, and it's just, you know, they're not aggressively feeding on buzzers, and the indicator's just going under, striking into it, and it's just not the best hook hold. That's a perfect cast there now. Perfect cast. See what this says. Stunning fishery this is. I've never fished it before. Right, let's try and cast out again. Just gonna check that I'm having trouble today with my indicator. See, it's done it again. It was a lovely cast. Oh, stuck in a tree again. Yeah, lovely cast, and the bloody, and this keeps happening. It's fully tight as well. Well, as tight as I can get it. Tighten it tight as I can. Right.
Big roach over there, size of my hand.
On what?
Blob. Yeah.
A roach on a blob?
Yeah.
Did you get a picture?
No, I was out wading and I just put it back.
It's mad how deep you wade up in here.
Yeah, well, I gotta be careful, but yeah, I just had a rainbow from
So how many have you had? How many have you got now?
What, to weigh?
Yeah.
3 to weigh.
Oh, we've all got 3 to weigh.
Yeah,
so we're gonna see who's got the heaviest bag.
Yeah, I had the first catch.
Yeah, you got.
Cheating
you got first. You've got first catch,
yeah.
And then we're gonna see who's got the heaviest fish as well.
There's a lot rising out there, mate, but you can't quite
Mate,
get at them.
mate, where I was out there, it's mental. That one patch.
All right.
I've got them all on camera, losing them as well.
I seen you lose a couple down by there.
I should have the most fish, to be honest.
Well, no.
I've lost about 4 over there.
Right. I've had the worst.
Right then, whose fish are they?
Mine that is, yeah.
Okay, go on then.
Alright.
Your 3 fish.
7.5, yeah?
7.5.
Just over, we call it 7.5, yeah?
What was your biggest fish?
I eat
do that.
Other's biggest fish after it.
There's Tristan's, yeah? There's 3 fish.
Oh,
7.
2. 7, 2.
Right, Paul's in the lead.
Let's see.
Look at him smiling. Look at him smiling.
Chuck us off. You might have this, though.
My carrier bag's heavier than yours, mind.
Yeah. Get all them leaves out. Look at all of them.
No, keep them in there.
I tell you what, they have slightly bigger, they do. Yeah. I think. Fuck's sake. He has been putting stones in us. Fucking yeah, don't you? Definitely. I can feel that. There's loads of stones in there.
Oh, by like 2 ounces. Come on.
Right, let's get the biggest fish up of the way.
2 ounces. Like
2 3/4.
Yeah. 2 3/4. Tristan.
That there? Yeah, that one.
Yeah. Oh, defo. Yeah. Defo this one. So you gotta beat 2 3/4.
Oh, that's easy. That's enough for £3.
2 3/4.
Oh, yeah!
Is that a draw?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Right.
It's shit in bricks.
My biggest fish.
£3 on the nose.
I've won. I've won 2 out of 3.